my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm gonna be making 3 Dollar Tree DIYs, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna try to recreate things that I saw on different stores but on a budget, and of course using Dollar Tree items. And I'm gonna be making like 3 DIY planters, and I hope that you like this video. If you do, you can give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Guys, I'm so excited for today's video too, because finally I opened my Teespring store and I made this shirt. It says DIY and have this glue gun here, and this one is like in a very soft pink and I love it. This one is in a medium size and I'm so happy for this shirt. I love it. And I also made these. It comes in a box like this. And I'm so excited for these, guys. I made this. I have my own cup. It is the same logo. It says DIY, have the X, and have the glue gun here. And I think I'm gonna be drinking coffee every single day in this cup. I'm happy, I'm excited. The Teespring link is going to be in my description box, so you can go, and if you see something and you like it, you can support me, and I really appreciate that. And in my Teespring you're going to find this cup, you can find shirts, you can find hoodies in the same design and different colors. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get started to these Dollar Tree DIYs. Okay guys, for the first project I will be using these large clay pots that comes in a package, and it is from Dollar Tree, and I want to paint lines. So for that I'm going to be using this blue tape, and I'm going to put it on my pots to make a straight line around the pot. Before painting, I want to put like legs on these clay pots. So for that I will use these round dowels that these sponges bring and that we usually throw away when they are like damaged. But I think that we can reuse the wooden dowel that have. So for the first clay pot, I'm going to cut this round dowel in half with my Dremel, and then I'm going to sand it to make sure that the surface is smooth. And guys, I love this Dremel, so in the description box of this video I'm going to be leaving you the link of this product just in case you are interested. Then I will paste 3 dowels with hot glue on the bottom of the clay pot, and then I will start to painting the entire bottom and the legs with my Waverly chalk paint in black or ink color. For the second pot, I will be doing the same. I'm going to place tape, creating lines, but this time I'm going to paint 2 lines. And I think this is the easiest way to paint and make sure that the lines are going to be straight and they are going to look good. And I will also put these round dowels that bring the sponges, but this time I cut them a little bit smaller, and I'm going to glue them on the bottom of the pot, and I'm going to paint all the lines and the legs in black color as well. Once it is dry, you can remove the tape to both clay pots, and then I decide that the highest pot I want to add more paint on it. So I'm going to use this toothbrush that I always use it for paint, and I'm going to apply a little bit of black paint, and I start scraping the brush so that the paint dots fall on the pot. And I really love this technique. I think it looks so cute. And once they are dry, I will place these succulents that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put stones inside to fill the empty space. And guys, this will be the result of my first project. I'm so happy how they turned out. I think that these succulents give it a really nice touch, and I'm so happy that I can reuse the wooden dowels from a sponge to put it on my clay pots. For my second project, I will try to recreate an 7-plant basket that have like a very particular shape, and I saw it in Target, but I really want to recreate it on a budget. So I'm going to use the Dollar Tree bucket that I saw, and I'm going to use nautical rope, and I'm going to start by sticking the rope with hot glue on the entire bucket until it is completely covered. Once we finish with this part and the bucket is completely covered, I'm going to heat 3 pieces of rope in the center of the bucket. And finally, I'm going to heat another piece of rope in the center over the last 3 that we heat already. I hope that makes sense and you can see what I'm doing, because what I'm trying to make the center of the basket look like wider than the top and the bottom of the basket, because that is how this plants basket that I'm trying to recreate looks like. And guys, for this whole basket I use a total of 3 nautical ropes packages. Now I will be painting the half of the basket with my Waverly chalk paint in white color, or you can use the color you prefer. Once it is dry, this is how your basket is going to look like, and I love it. And now it is time to make the handles, and for that I will use what I have left over from the nautical rope, and I'm going to make the handles, but I really want them to be like quite thick, so I will stick the rope with hot glue just to make sure to have that effect on the handle to be a little bit more thicker. I just have to stick them in my basket, on the top of my basket with hot glue. I will fill this basket first with my Spanish moss that you can get from Dollar Tree, or you can use maybe shopping bags or something like that, and then you can put plants inside. And I will use these from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna try to put them until I like how they look. For a long time I really want to recreate this type of plant basket, and I'm very happy with the result, and I love how it turned out, and I love how much money I saved for DIY this project. For the last DIY, I will be using this glass vase from Dollar Tree, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is to paint it in white color using my Waverly chalk paint. Just to make it easier and dry faster, I like to use this heat tool that is amazing, and in the description box of this video I'm going to be leaving you the link of this product in case you are interested. And once it's dry, I'm going to give it a second coat of paint, but I'm going to make sure that the brush is a little bit dry to create more texture in my vase. I hope you can see what I'm doing. And I want to have this texture because I want that this vase look like it is made of cement. So I will use this mineral color and I will mix it with water, and then I'm going to apply it to the whole container and then let it dry very well. Then I will use this glass paint brush marker in white color, and that I get from Dollar Tree. I really like this brush, and with a ruler I will draw straight lines in different directions throughout the vase. It is super easy to make and it's going to look so beautiful. Finally, I'm going to put a tape on the bottom part to paint it in another color like I did in the first project. And I'm going to use my Waverly chalk paint in black or ink color. And yeah, I think these three colors looks great together. Then I decide to put 3 onion grass from Dollar Tree, and first I put Spanish moss to fill the bottom part, and then you can put stones on the top because that way the onion grass are going to stay in place and it's going to look so nice. Guys, I have been seeing in stores that they have these planters made in cement. It is something different and they have patterns like we did, and I'm very happy that I could make one with a glass vase for only $1 that look like cement. And my loves, this will be the result of my 3 projects made from Dollar Tree products. These are 3 different DIY planters that you can make on a budget. And guys, I hope that you like this video. If you do, you can give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment of which project was your favorite. Subscribe to my channel, you are more than welcome, and share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on my social media, Instagram and Facebook, and on my webpage DIYbyjaz.com. I love you so much. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye guys.